This is Novo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0, my brother. How's it?
Ngiyaphila kunjani buti?
Ngiyaphila man. Awufika kanjani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje mfethu into engayisho ukuthi patience is a human being's weakness, you know, and the soccer fanatics are human beings, you know. And I don't know if they're gonna be patient with Mikel Cardoso and he's Sundowns, you know, because now Sundowns is repenting, bros. Sundowns is changing.
Yeah.
And if our fans with Sundowns are gonna be patient, Kulumchita, for what he's gonna do, because of he's transforming Sundowns. So if they're gonna be patient with him, then I'm happy, because of that might positively affect the national team here too, or negatively affected. But Sundowns is no longer the same. The Sundowns we know, it was never going to be pressed by AmaZulu like that, you know. But because there's changes, and we must allow changes, you know, we must give someone a fair chance. But Mikel Cardoso must know one thing: he never won a trophy for Sundowns, you know. He found a very old machine with Sundowns. Umangoba omhendele kahle wathola no Steve Kompela wamsiza on how to run Sundowns. He took Sundowns to the final. He failed to win it again. He failed to win he finally against Esperance as well. And in the next season he was playing with Sundowns. He still failed. He still failed final with Sundowns. He's too defensive to be a Sundowns coach. I don't know if Ama fans with Sundowns, they just love the results and they wanna be on false pretenses. But the football that he's playing, I don't know if they like it. But for me, I think it's gonna affect the old man Ric Flair, Hugo Bruce, Bafana Bafana. And if it affects Hugo Bruce, it affects the entire nation. So Mena, I don't know if Amasandawana ajabulile njengoba bayawina, but things are changing, tables are turning, you know. And if they're saying because Pirates lost 2 consecutive games, they're gonna win against Sundowns. They're gonna win against Pirates.
Do you think they're gonna come back?
Nah, Pirates obviously it will be an A game. A game, I mean, it's one of the traditional top 3.
Exactly. Yeah.
Pirates, if they play with Sundowns, if they play with Chiefs, things changes. The mentality of the players changes. The mentality of the coach changes, and then the formations are still gonna change. It's gonna read the tactics. But there's an easy way of beating Sundowns and pressing Sundowns. Just cut the supply to Tebo Mokoena. You'll see Sundowns will never play. That's what the teams are doing. That's how Chiefs won 2-1 here. Even if though it was controversial, but Chiefs won 2-1 here by cutting the supply that was going to Tebo Mokoena. Pyramid in the final, cut the supply going to Tebo Mokoena. They won the final. Dortmund in the World Cup, they cut the supply to Tebo Mokoena. They won the final. If Sundowns play would stop revolving around Tebo Mokoena, then they can start winning the games, because they will be changing their method of approaching the game. But thank you. And my man of the match tonight, I don't know who I'm an analyst who Super Sport, but Kule Extien played very, very well. And Salez as well played very, very well. Lomtita, if Sundowns fans could have believed in him from the beginning start, I'm telling you, they could have been far with Salez, because of maybe they were booing him. He didn't display his real skills or capabilities. But now, if they can be patient with him, he's gonna show them more.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much.
For your soccer updates, visit www.novo2010sharpi.com.